Hello everyone, it's Megacon Day. My first convention. I'm really excited. I need to go get ready, wash, do my hair, makeup, get in cosplay, all of that. So I'll go do that and then come back to you after that. And also Mina's here. See you soon. I ended up not having any time to show you my cosplay before we left. Because we had to run to get the train, but I'm cosplaying Misa from Death Note. Here it is, you can see it now. And I'm with my sister, but I can't show you her cosplay yet because she was going to finish putting it on once we got to the station. But yeah, we're on the train now and we will be there soon. Okay, we've made it into Manchester and now we're trying to find our way to the location. This is my sister's cosplay. Yeah, we're just trying to find our way to the location. This is mine. Great. We're trying not to get lost. There is many different streets. I think we're nearly there, but Google Maps is just as confusing as without. We made it to the con, got in the queue, started waiting around, admiring all the cosplays surrounding us. We also brought bingo out of a bunch of stuff we were hoping to or thought we were definitely going to see today, and as you can see we've already crossed some stuff off even though we've literally just got here. Okay, we've made it in. Very busy, but we're about to go look in the main hall. I will check back in once we've had a look around, see what's going on, show you how the bingo sheet's coming along. Yeah, we'll be back in a minute. We've just been looking around for a bit and I've got my first bingo. Oh my god, this line here. Unfortunately, obviously some of these aren't good, but a bingo's a bingo at the end of the day. We'll probably just keep looking around for now. We've got a couple things already, but I'll probably just show the whole hall. Like, my hair is in my face. I'll probably just show the whole hall once we get back home again, rather than like stopping and like getting stuff out my bag to show you. So we bought a couple things already, but like I'll just show a whole hall once we get home. That'll probably be easier. Hello, we're on a lunch break now, and she has just opened up an in-hyphen gacha and she got J. Yeah. Wow! I got a Samrio one, but I'll open it when I get home. Here's the bingo sheet progress. We found so much, oh my god. I don't think I have any more bingos for now, but that's the progress on what we've ticked off. Honestly, we've seen so many cool cosplays so far. We've taken so many like selfies with people as well. It's so fun, like the community atmosphere, honestly, it's like my favorite aspect of the whole thing. I've seen so many cosplays I didn't think I'd see as well. Like, I've seen all the ones I was expecting, like Genshin, Honkai Star Rail, Danganronpa, Digital Circus, all those. But I've seen a lot of Haikyuu, which I was not expecting to see, but I am not complaining. I'm really happy about it. But no, I hope we keep seeing so many different cool cosplays. Honestly, the cosplay spotting is like my favorite part of this so far. These Tesco roasted nuts are really good. I highly recommend. We found the most delicious mochi to ever exist. I am not over exaggerating. Oh my god, this easily trumps all other mochi I've ever had. I mean, look at how much I'm enjoying it. Is that not proof enough? We've stopped for some more food because, I mean, it wasn't really a lunch break before. It was like a few nuts and some crisps. Like, that's not really a lunch break, so now we've got a pizza, which we're about to show you. Whoa, let's have a look inside. Wow. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, we're gonna try and figure out how to get to a panel we want to see now to do with the amazing Digital Circus. Wish us luck, we don't know where to go, but trust we'll figure it out. We managed to find the panel. It was a lot of fun, but it felt a little wrong to film too much of it, so here's just me enjoying it instead. We've just finished watching the panel for the voice actors of Ragatha and Zubul from the Amazing Digital Circus talking, and it was so good. They're so lovely and genuine and funny. I really enjoyed it. I'm really glad I got to see the opportunity to see them talking. And now we are waiting for the cosplay masquerade to start, so hopefully that will be enjoyable too. I'm sure it will. I mean, my favourite part of this whole thing's been seeing really cool cosplays, so I'm sure it'll be great. This is our progress on the bingo. I have 2 lines now, and I mean, she's still doing it, but how many do you have? Like 2 or 3? 2. Okay, so we're even still. I don't know if we're gonna. Wait, no! I did see the K-pop keychain / badge. Hold on. Wait, that's no extra line though, but I'll take this one off too. Okay, so she is winning the bingo. We watched the masquerade. It was very, very impressive. Here's me enjoying it yet again because I felt a little weird about filming it too much. But no, it was also a great time. Very, very impressive performances and cosplays. We've just got out of the mega hall after the cosplay masquerade. It was really good. Everyone's costumes and performances were so good, honestly. Obviously, it's time to head home now. We had a really, really, really good time. Definitely a great first con experience. When I get back, I'll do an unboxing of all the things I got, so I'll be there in a second for that. But for now, let's go home. The aesthetic streets of Manchester. Hello. We are back home now. I have the bag. My makeup is looking crusty as hell, but it's fine because we're home now and I'm going to be taking it off as soon as I'm done with this anyway. Anyway, let's do the unboxing, shall we? What we've all been waiting for. I kind of want to save the big things to last. So let's start with not the figurines. Let's start with some of the smaller things. I'll try and remember as much as I can about like where I bought it, how much it was, that kind of thing. I do not trust my memory to be that good though. Especially for the things from Artist Alley though, if I can, after like filming this, I'll try and find out who the names of the artists were that I got them from, if I don't immediately realize it now, so I can like, you know, advertise their stuff because they've given me a nice product. Well, not given me, I bought it. But you know what I mean. I want to credit them for the products that they sold me. But anyway, I will start with this Haikyuu cracker card. It's got some Haikyuu characters on the front. It's got some Haikyuu characters on the back. And inside, I know what it's in. I kind of get the gist of one maybe inside because my sister also got one. She's already opened it. It's some kind of like wafer biscuit and then one of the potential cards. So let's open it and have a look, shall we? Ooh, okay, we have opened it. And yes, it is it's a very strong smell to it. Wafer biscuit. Let me try and give you guys a closer look at that. It smells very nice. It's very like, I don't know, that's like a very specific scent. I can't like put my finger on what that is. I will eat this in a minute. I will not eat it on camera. Or I guess, let me take a bite to tell you if it's good or not. Mmm, that is yummy. Anyway, the cards. Oh, we got Bokuto. I love Bokuto. He's not one of my favourite characters. My favourite character will be revealed in a moment when I show you whose figurine I got, but I like Bokuto. I'm a Bokuto enjoyer, so that's fine. I accept this. Ooh, it's very nice. It's very like shiny and like good quality, you know? Like it doesn't feel bootleg. That's the other thing I meant to say is I tried my best to avoid like scammy things, bootleg things. Can't 100% guarantee that nothing in here will be like bootleg or scammy because this was my first convention. I'm not super experienced with it, but I tried to look at some advice online on like what to avoid, what's like a red flag of like kind of a scammy place. So hopefully everything's kind of like not bootleg scams. Yeah, just a preface on that. But yeah, this is the YouTuber thing that people do. This is the Bokuto card. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have this little gacha. Oh, Mina's here! Mina's joining us. Hey, Mina. I have missed you. My kitty. She slept on my pillow next to me last night, didn't you, Mina? I have missed her. My hair is bedraggled. It's because I straightened it and it's like, it's starting to do that thing where it goes a little a little poofy after being straightened for so long. Anyway, back to what we were doing. Oh, she's sniffing everything. I can't focus when she's here. Anyway, Sanrio Gacha. We got a Sanrio Gacha. I don't know who's in it yet. Let's find out, shall we? If I am able to open it, that is. I have opened it. Let's see who's inside. Ooh, exciting, gambling time. Oh, it's my favourite! It's my Melody! Ah, I'm so happy, oh my god. I was hoping for her. She's literally my favourite Sanrio character. I'm so happy. Let me open her up so you can get a better look. Mina is sniffing everything right now. Anyway, she's so cute. She's now trying to pounce on the wrapping that I have discarded. Can you not try and eat microplastics, Bina? Thank you. Anyway, we have a little My Melody. Then, from Artist Alley, this was, oh, it does have the name of the artist on the bottom here, but I'll put it on the screen as well. It's sophiehayward.net or at sophiemock. But this little sticker sheet of the penguin characters from Animal... Mina, you're kind of being a little distracting right now. Anyway, sticker sheet of the penguin villages from Animal Crossing because they are my favourite type of villages. I love them. They're so cute, especially rolled. And, oh, I don't remember who else is my favourite. Sprinkles. I can't remember if it's Sprinkle or Sprinkles, but her. And I like Cube as well. I love all of them though. They're all my babies. I love them so much. But yeah, we got a little penguin stick. Mina. She's pouncing on everything. Anyway, but yeah, very, very cute. Very, very cute. Can you not, please? She's not a very well-behaved cat. She's very lovely, very loving, but she chases mischief like a bloodthirsty werewolf. Anyway, next up, I've actually got two items. One for me, one for my sister, because it's almost my sister's birthday, so I got her a couple things in this as well, just to add to her birthday gifts that I've got her. First, my one that I got is little Hello Kitty, like, keychain bookmark type thing. Yes, very, very cute, very cute. And then I got this Haikyuu one for my sister. She picked it out herself. I let her, like, I said, I want to get you a couple gifts, so pick out things you like, and that's what she picked. Next up, also from Artist Alley, we got this little cute tiny frog. So cute. I don't, off the top of my head, know the artist. This may be their artist card, actually. No, that's the same one from before. I will find out the artist, who was the artist behind this, and put the name here. But yeah, cute little crochet frog. Super cute. Next up, we have another jewel item. One for me and one for my sister again. From Toadstool House Art. It is, for me, a little Kuromi pin. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. And for my sister, oh, the name of this character escapes me. It's the Amazing Digital Circus. Is it Bubble? I think it's Bubble. But yeah, that's for my sister. That's for my sister. Then, let's move on to the figurines. First of all, if I can get them open, actually. That's the initial thing. I brought scissors, so I'm more likely to be able to open them. Yes, we have succeeded in opening the box. We have Sakura Miku. Let's see if we can unleash her into the world. It's still stuck. There's still more tape. Hold on. My hair is annoying me so much. Oh my god, it's befrazzled as hell. This is what happens after a whole day of moving around and being out and in the outside world. Oh my god. This is her in the packaging. She's super cute. Sorry, my dad came in. Anyway, very, very cute. I will get her out later. I don't want to spend too much time right now because I've got to go eat my food. Getting her out right now, but I will add in a clip now of what she looks like when she's out of her packaging and all put together and stuff. Hopefully, very, very cute, I hope. I just realised I forgot to say any prices for any of this. Most of it was like between like £2 to £10 range, most of the smaller stuff. And then the figures were £35 each. I think that was kind of like the general gist of pricing. Okay, last but not least, before I must go and eat my dinner, we have another figurine. We have Toru Oikawa from Haikyuu. My favourite Haikyuu character. I love him so much. Oh my god. He's so me, for real. That's who my favourite Haikyuu character is. As I hinted at earlier. Let's get him out, let's free him. Oh my god, he's all broken apart. I need to put him together. Intentionally, obviously, like, I'm not saying he's actually broken. He's, like, clearly meant to be like this to start with. Oh my god, this is gore of my comfort character, what the hell? And then a stand for him. I'll do the same with him. I'll put a clip on now of what he looks like when he's all put together, so I can go eat now. I don't have to do this right now. But yeah, there you go. That's everything I got. That's the haul. I had a really, really good time. Really like everything I got, really happy with it all. Really enjoyed the panels were great. Really enjoyed seeing all the different cosplays, taking pictures with loads of different people, that kind of sense of community. It was really nice. I really, really enjoyed it. Great first con experience. Definitely want to go again. Yeah, that's my experience with Megacon. Bye bye.